of Galilee. He has done so very much for me. He has forgiven my sins and sent the Holy Ghost to me. I love the man of Galilee, of Galilee, of Galilee. Very much for me. He has taken away my sins and sent the Holy Ghost to me. I love the man of Galilee. Amen. Let we sit down, please. The prophet Malachi, whose name means my messenger, the messenger of Yahweh, the messenger of God, carried out his prophetic ministry around 450 BC. The prophet Malachi spoke against his people, the returned exiles, the sins they were committing. The prophet was not comfortable the way his people abandoned God, the way his people were swimming in the ocean of sin. And in the portion we read this morning, the prophet threatened the sinners and gave hope to those that were living a righteous life. He threatened the sinner. He says that a day is coming when God will deal with the evildoers. When God will deal with sinners, a day is coming when God himself will deal with evildoers and sinners. And I tell you, children of God, left with me alone, I will say, God, let that day be now. A lot of evil in our society, a lot of wickedness in our society. I will say, God, let it be now. Do whatever you want to do now, because there is a lot of evil and wickedness in our society. About 3 weeks ago, we heard the news of the man that broke his little child, 2 years old child. The father broke this child's hand, that child was making noise while he was sleeping. The child's hand was amputated, and at the end of the day, I think that child has died. Even if that child has survived, what would you have told that child if that child has grown up? And he asked, what happened to my hand? While are other people having 2 hands and I'm having 1? And what would somebody tell that child? That your father broke your hand. And it's possible before that amputation was done, tetanus has already entered. If you watch that picture you see, or the video you see, that hand was already somehow. That is wickedness of the highest order. Wickedness, children of God, happening in our own time. We are talking about that one 3 weeks or 2 weeks ago. Just about 3 days, another one came up. Someone called, I think that was Wazobia, When they ask, what do you think you have done in life that we are not comfortable with? And somebody said, what I have done in life is that I went for test and I was tested HIV positive. And I used it to remove my blood and mix with Zobo to say to people, yes, just 3 days ago, or even 2 days ago. And she was asked, how long? She said, I've been doing this for 6 months. People drinking HIV in the name of Zobo. That is why I say, God, let it be now, if it is possible. Let everybody end and do what? Go. Too much evil. How can somebody do that? That is wickedness, children of God. If she got that HIV through the other way around, any person follow him? Then why must I die with the, because she said she doesn't want to do what? Die alone. Why must I die with you? That is wickedness. What about those producing fake drugs? About a few weeks ago, the news also came about Augmentin. Say they don't produce fake what? Augmentin. I didn't know human beings doing this. When you are producing fake drug, what is your plan? You want to kill everybody. That is wickedness of the highest order. What about those using young girls to do rituals? That is what is happening now. And I want to warn you, December is coming. Is it Yahoo Plus or Yahoo Z? I don't know. Or Yahoo Minus. They are using girls. And you girls are always the victim. Why will you allow yourself to be used? Why will you allow yourself because of your greed? Why don't you make do with what you have? Let me tell you, if you are beautiful, you are beautiful. Manage that thing you have. If you are beautiful, you are beautiful. If you are ugly, you are ugly. I know that Mary Kay is helping some of you. No, but it's true. I wedded somebody. We went for a wedding. After the wedding, when they paint this thing, they're painting. Sometimes you may not recognize someone. You will not even know who is old. So, after the wedding, sometimes somebody came and greeted me. I said, who are you? So, Father, you don't recognize me again? Now we do the wedding that day. Now, so I shout, I'm not like you, I know who myself, I shout. The lady said, Father, Wallam Nala. Because that was the time I saw the real face. Make use of what you have. If you are beautiful, you are beautiful. Don't kill yourself because of what you feel you want to use. What will it profit you if you gain the whole world and at the end of the day you lose your life? And the thing is that you see these things happening. Girls running mad. Girls being killed. And tomorrow another person will want to put it. I want to tell you, child of God, no man is looking at physical beauty again, or facial beauty. What they are looking for is the beauty of the heart. If you are beautiful in the heart, people will marry you. May God bless all of you this morning through Christ our Lord.
Let us rise and profess our faith.